I'm Ed Daly, Director of Holistic Development for Young Living Essential Oils. During this time of year, as the seasons change and our days get shorter and darker, it is more important to develop routines that can provide uplifting moments to support our body and mind. We all can think of aromas that we love from the autumn season. In my childhood, there are so many memories of cinnamon, pumpkin spices, and apple when my mother was cooking in the kitchen. These aromas bring back so many wonderful memories of these times with my family. Let's jump right in and look at the first oil I will discuss, sacred frankincense. Gary Young once said, "Sacred frankincense is the love of my life." He spent years researching the application of frankincense essential oil. Sacred frankincense is distilled from wild-growth frankincense trees, Boswellia sacra, at the Young Living Distillery in Oman, and is ideal for anyone who wants an uplifting moment during the day. It's regarded as one of the most rarest, most sought-after aromatics in existence. The resin used to obtain Young Living's sacred frankincense is the first Omani frankincense to be available to those outside of the Saudi royal family. Sacred frankincense is believed to be the frankincense documented during ancient times. Historically, it is believed that this beautiful white hojari resin produced the sacred frankincense that was taken to the Christ child. Sacred frankincense essential oil has a grounding, woodsy aroma that can be used to support a meditation or yoga practice. I personally love to put a few drops on my solar plexus prior to my morning walk. Sacred frankincense is a wonderful oil to use throughout your day. The next oil I'd like to talk about is Sacred Mountain. I'm very grateful to our Young Living historian, Karen Boren, who shares so much rich history about our oils and Gary Young himself. Here's what Gary said back in 1995. Sacred Mountain is a blend that I created several years ago out of purely selfish reasons because I was living in a city while desiring to be in the mountains. I decided the solution was that I would bring the mountains to myself. I have a special feeling that the mountains truly are a sacred place to be. I found for myself that when I'm in the mountains, it's easier to spiritually communicate with my Father. When I'm in the mountains, it feels like I have literally moved out of all the static and interference of the hustle bustle of city life and its busy streets and cars and people. In the mountains, I can be in the quiet space where I can truly communicate and draw upon the powers of heaven. So the mountains have always been a very special place for me. I find this is true for many other people. As I inhale this blend, it reminds me of being in the mountains among the big pine and fir trees to where I can feel the quietness in my mind and feel the desire to communicate. Sacred Mountain's aroma is reminiscent of the Japanese tradition Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, which is taking in the aroma of the forest through your senses. Connecting with nature can bring you comfort as well as promote feelings of confidence and clarity. This blend contains black spruce, cedarwood, grand fir, and ylang-ylang. When I need an uplifting experience, I put 2 drops on the soles of my feet and get outside to put my feet in the grass. There are so many benefits of placing our feet in the grass, which is also known as earthing. Whenever I combine Sacred Mountain while putting my feet in the grass, I always feel empowered, secure, and protected. All right, let's talk about our next oil blend, Melrose. I love the smell of this herbaceous blend that Gary created back in 1989. That's right, this blend has been around a long time and it contains a powerful combination of 2 Melaleuca oils, Melaleuca eternifolia and Melaleuca quinquevaria, along with rosemary and clove. I love to use this amazing blend by placing 2 drops on my chest prior to my walk. You really get the uplifting aroma of this blend when you do that. I find this blend was very supportive for any physical activity from a walk to yoga, a gym workout, even a bike ride. No matter how you use Melrose's refreshing, clean aroma, it is sure to put a smile on your face. Now let's talk about our last blend, Highest Potential. This is one of my personal favorites, and it is a blend that Gary applied pretty much every day. In fact, he used this as an aftershave to make sure that he was operating at his highest potential throughout the day. Gary Young has created this master blend of essential oils to tap into your deepest yearnings, focus profound energies you may not even be aware of, and surmount what once seemed impossible. Gary believed there were many possibilities waiting for all of us in the world. Highest Potential Essential Oil Blend is designed to empower an aromatic experience and to increase your capacity to achieve your goals and dreams. It combines the uplifting and inspirational qualities of 23 essential oils to bring greater unity of purpose. Feelings of confidence and well-being are the benefits of this blend. You can start your day with a drop on the crown of your head or place a drop on your forehead before starting the workday. Some use this amazing blend by applying it topically over the heart for a comforting inspiration. Others use it during times of meditation, personal reflection, and goal setting. If I am creating content for Young Living, then I turn to Highest Potential to support that process. Highest Potential inspires you to reach your goals and dreams by elevating your thoughts and actions. Thank you so much for joining me today. We know that you will enjoy using these incredible oils in so many ways. From all of us at Young Living, we wish you health, prosperity, and happiness.